Hello guys, so you're welcome to this channel and thanks very much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video to your friends on other social media platforms. If you have any question, just comment down below and I'm going to reply within some few hours. Watch the video from the beginning to the end without skipping any part of it. Let's start. To this channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to fix couldn't open Instagram problem. What you have to do is first you have to go to Play Store or your App Store and click on the uninstall section when you search for Instagram. After that, go to the internet and search for old Instagram version, download it and install it and use it. This is how to fix couldn't open Instagram problem. Thanks very much for watching this video, and I hope this video is very helpful. Share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Bye bye. See you in my next video. So guys, thank you very much for watching the video to the end. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video to your friends. If you have any question, let me know in my comment section and I'm going to reply within some few seconds. Thanks very much for clicking on this video once again. See you in my next video. Bye bye. And also don't forget to share this video as I repeat. Peace. Bye bye.